how to find my Facebook user ID and username. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can find your Facebook user ID and your Facebook username. Simply open up Facebook on your phone, and then after that simply go to your settings, and then from over there simply scroll down, and then after that click on apps and websites. Then from over here you guys are going to see a few applications that have been linked with your Facebook. Simply click on any one of these applications to get the Facebook ID assigned to these applications. Now please note that your Facebook ID is going to vary from application to application, so for each of these applications your Facebook ID is going to be a different Facebook ID. So just tap on any application, scroll down, and then after that you guys can just simply copy your Facebook ID from over here. So guys, that is how you guys can get your Facebook ID. Now to get your username, come over to your profile, then after that click on edit profile, and then after that simply come over to your profile, and then after that simply click on the right side on these three dots. Then at the bottom you guys can see your profile link. After the facebook.com/, you guys can see your username, and that is your username. So guys, that is how you guys can find your Facebook user ID and username. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.